So in this video I'm going to talk about how to use the Instant Article Spinner software. This is a really straightforward tool, so there is nothing complicated. You just need to follow the instruction that I'm going to give you. So right here, this is where you work on the text, and these are the buttons that most of you will use, most of the time. So these are when you need something, most of this is in the menu right here, and you can also right click and you will get the dictionary. So what you need to do is, I'm just going to copy and paste a text right here, okay, and we just click on a paste button. Okay, this is cut. When you cut, you just select cut, okay, and I'm going to paste again and copy that, okay, cut and paste. Okay, you can see these three buttons are really useful. Just treat this as a Word document. This is very straightforward, and if you untick this, it will not highlight the tokens. I'll get to this in a moment, and normally you can just leave this like tick, okay, so that you can identify the tokens very easily. So this one is the undo button, and this one is the redo button, in case that you miss something and you want to revert back your work. And okay, so this one is the spelling option. In this one there is a built-in synonyms, sorry, a dictionary where you can select between languages like English, Dutch, French, okay, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, and okay, so this one as well, German. Okay, and you can just select the options that you would like. This one is uppercase and in your words containing numbers, something like this, and you can just set your parameters which best suit you. This is very easy and it's just like the Word document. Okay, and this one is the spelling option. So it does a live check, spell all the content. Okay, so when you click on this, you see that it will go into a blue color. Okay, so meaning that it's on. If I click again, meaning that it's off. Okay, so let's assume that I mistype this part. I click this and you will see that it's highlighted. It detects the error, okay, the mistyping. And okay, so very simple, very straightforward. This one is a very cool part, which is the smart tokens. Okay, so this is really the lazy way to do it. And very important to know that since the software cannot think by itself, definitely you need to check on this. So we have incorporated a huge file where there are, I think, well over 10 to 15,000 words, which can best synonyms that most people use to make changes. Okay, and it will be incorporated just by clicking on this button. It will auto identify all the words that we need to replace. Okay, we just click on this and you will see that the tokens are automatically inserted. And of course you need to double check if you want really good content. So let's assume that this one you do not want it. You just delete it right here. And okay, so very simple. All right, and this one is the multiple spin feature. Okay, and you can just name it. Okay, and then you browse inside your PC. You select the directory where you want to output how many number of articles generated from this. Okay, so and then you select the number of articles you want to generate from this list. And it's very important to know that when you are using this stuff, the maximum number of articles, don't just output hundreds of them if you just have a few content. Okay, normally 10 is still fine, so that you can keep the uniqueness, but it all depends how how much you will spin those content. Okay, and let's see one of these. If you just right click, select one, you move to the next button, and you will see that there is a dictionary, a list of synonyms, where you can just replace the word. Okay, so let's assume that you want to just swap this word. Okay, you just click on this greatness, and you can see this. Okay, and let's assume that I want to insert this as token. Just follow the instruction right here. You need to press Ctrl plus and then you click, you left click. This is very easy. So I'm just going to press my Control button, okay, and take a look at this. Okay, so all these will be added, and if you want to remove it, just follow the instruction right here. You just keep pressing the button, and then you click on this on the word, you unselect this. This is very easy. Okay, so this is how you do it. All right, and then okay, so let's move on to this one, and let's say I want to view a spin content. Okay, how the output will look like. Okay, so this is a version. You click on this one, another version will appear. Okay, you can see right here changes are being made, where you can see the multiple variation. You can save this by clicking on this. Okay, and all these buttons are quite clear. Right, and this one you save the whole stuff. You select where you want to save this. Okay, and this one is, if you want to create a brand new article, you just click on this, and it will ask you if you want to save changes, or you agree to lose all the changes that you made. So I'm just going to click OK, and this one is to open the article, and right here I'm going to select. So this is a brand new article that was spun at 100% using the article shuffler, and you will see that when you are going to use the article shuffler, I mean, if you follow my instruction, every time you get 100% unique, because of the so many random features inside. Okay, and you can see right here, I think this is a misspelling. It doesn't exist. Okay, if you right click, you will see that. Okay, so you can see that this is very useful. If you select, you can just see the word, and right here, and if ever there are some misspelling, this is very easy. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you really enjoy the Instant Article Spinner software.